And today, special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us this car air freshener. Now, see here, cedarwood scents. It's an aromatherapy machine. This is the model P1. Now, nothing else to really show you around the box. Let me open it up and show you how this would work. Right here, everything you need. So, here's kind of what it would look like. We've got, oh, these look like scents. Give us two of them. Very nice. Same scent, cedarwood. So these do work a little bit different than some of the other ones I've seen. Okay, very cool. Very cool. It included USB-C cable to charge it up. And of course, very nice. And then the actual fragrance machine. And that's it for the box. So, what it looks like, I do really like the size of this. Some of the other ones that I've had are much, much bigger. This one, really like the size. Palm of my hand is better than these longer ones. Now, let's take this little sticker off. Let's go. Here too. Very nice. Light, medium, strong, and home. Oop, I turned it on. Now, to get the scents in, I have to undo this. And then cartridges, which I can say I don't know if these are refillable or not. You have to no, they're not refillable. You have to remove this little plug. And then basically these three gold dots here line up with the three gold dots there, and everything pops in like so. There we go. Then screw this back on. USB-C port is on the back right in the middle. So we hold our power button. Very nice. Love how quiet it is too. That will essentially do it for this unboxing. Thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send this to me to unbox and show you. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out.